Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's start by executing code 1 to stimulate the error and watch the result. Let's walk you through the interpretation and the correction for this bug. Please halt the video to go through the explanation. Now we'll repair the code and observe the final output. And bingo! The code performs perfectly and our output is just right. The error has been fixed. That's the end of today's lesson. If you found this walkthrough practical, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more code repair videos. Stay enthusiastic, keep advancing, and happy coding everyone!